Guys, today we are reading of the snakes on the loose. So let's start. Have you ever wondered whether an important world event took place on the very day you were born? You may find that on a birthday, another famous person was born not in the same year but on the same date in the same month. You may find that it was the first time somebody performed some spectacular feat, a new invention or discovery was made, or perhaps a tragedy such as an accident occurred which killed many people. It, if we take any date at random, we can look back through old newspapers or make a search on the internet and find that many notable events took place on that particular day. Let us take a date, 16th September for example, and we find out what happened around the world on that day in history. Here are some events that have taken place on 16th September. Daniel Gabriel Fermat, Dutch-German Polish physicist, inventor and scientific instrument maker who invented the thermometer and the Fahrenheit scale, dies at 50. The Mexican War of Independence begins. A bomb on Wall Street kills 38 people. Saturn's moon, Hyperon, is discovered. A stunt plane crashes in the USA, killing 19 people. So, what happened on 16th September 2010? 2010. Nothing much, but then a story started appearing on the internet news sites, and it was about snakes. Not just any snakes, but cobras, the deadliest of them all. It could be that the actual event occurred a day or so before the 16th, but the press all over the world became interested, and after the first report appeared, other sites picked up the story. This is how some internet news sites report what happened. 160 deadly cobras escaped in China. In southwestern China, more than 160 deadly cobras escaped from an illegal breeding laboratory in early September, government officials said. No one has been injured, and the breeder and a team of snake professionals have since rounded up all but 5 or 6 of the snakes in the village of Shijiao, said a country official identified only as Mr. Yan. The snakes did not do much harm or cost the government much money, and they cost a lot to raise, so the government is giving the breeder a break, no fine, no arrest. Just transfer the cobras to a legal breeding laboratory in Guangxi. In southern China, the government told Saiyang escaped cobras from an illegal breeding laboratory have been tracing residents of a southwestern Chinese town. Around 160 of the highly venomous snakes have been accidentally released in Xiao Township in the Chongqing Municipality, according to AFP. The other day, Zhang Erfen had just gone into the toilet when we heard a loud scream and she came running out after seeing a cobra inside. AFP reported, quoting Information Times, a Chinese newspaper. The cobras have been found in outdoor toilets, in people's kitchen, and on the street. A man named Sai Yong admitted to Regime officials that he had been breeding around 1900 cobras in an abandoned schoolhouse. Most of the 160 cobras have been killed or captured, but 5 or 6 are still on the loose. CNN reports that no one injured in this scare and the breeder will not be arrested, penalized, or fined for the mishap. More than 160 cobras escaped from an illegal breeding laboratory in early September, government officials said. Somebody of the deadly cobras ended up in people's toilets, kitchens, and roads in southwestern China. According to a country official named Mr. Yan, no one had been injured, and the breeder and a team of snake professionals have since rounded up all but 5 or 6 of the snakes in the village of Sijiao. Frightened villagers might not be as forgiving as the government. So I hope you all like my reading. Subscribe, like, share to my channel.